Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup routine. It's not even every day, it's whenever I do my makeup, because I don't put makeup on every day. But whenever I do my makeup, whether I'm going out, etc., to an event, you know, to dinner or meetup, this is how I do my makeup routine. I am not that big on makeup, okay? I don't like to put too much makeup on my face. When I do my makeup, I like to keep it nice and simple. Just to let you know, a disclaimer, I am no professional makeup artist, and you will see when I apply this certain makeup on my face, I am no makeup professional. I just do what I know that's best for me, that I know how to do. So if you like makeup videos, like I said, I'm not no makeup artist, but I do like putting makeup on my face from time to time. Just sit back, relax, and I'm gonna show you how I do my 10-minute makeup routine.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to jump back on here. The foundation I'm showing you right now is by e.l.f. This is my first time using the e.l.f. foundation. I had purchased it the other day, and the thing is, I didn't even test it on my skin before I started using it. I just looked at the color and knew that, you know what, this looked like it's gonna fit my skin tone without even trying it on. You guys, when I had this is my first time using it on my skin. When I had used it, oh my gosh, I was like, what is this? You could tell by my facial expression. I'm like, what is this? This does not match my skin color. It was way too light. To me, it felt like it was way too white and way too light at the same time. I was just, like I said, you could tell by my facial expression, this was not working. This was not working, but I didn't want to edit this part off the video. I left it there. As you can see, I'm still using the, I'm just going to finish using the e.l.f. foundation on my face, but at the same time, I added another foundation, my regular foundation that I do use, which is by Black Radiance. I like their foundation. I just mixed that one in with the e.l.f. foundation that's already on my face, just to, blend it and make it work. Oh my goodness.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. Have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to